Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Times, and today I'm going to share with you our first project in automation engineering. So today we are going to do a simple project. We are going to do an automatic water dispenser system. We don't need to program anything. It's just simple electronic components that we are going to put together. Okay, so we're going to need an infrared sensor. Then we will need our single channel relay, the 5 volts single channel relay. Then we need a breadboard where we are going to install all our components. Finally, we will need the water pump, the DC water pump. In this case, I'm using this 5 volts DC water pump. First thing, let's fix our IR sensor, the infrared sensor, to our breadboard like this. Let's run our power jumper wires, which is the voltage supply and our ground. So in this case, I'm running my jumper wires like this. The next thing we need to connect our relay to the power system. So we are going to connect the power input pins of our relay to the breadboard. Then now we need to connect our input signal from the infrared sensor to the relay. So we run a jumper wire direct from the infrared sensor to the relay like this. Then finally, let's connect our water pump. Right, we connect our voltage supply from the breadboard to the common pin of our relay. Then let's connect the voltage supply pin of our water pump to the normally closed pin of our relay like this. Then let's connect our ground of the water pump direct from the water pump to the ground of our breadboard like this. Then yes, so at this moment the only thing left is to connect our power source. As you can see, the whole system is now on, is now running. So let's put our water pump in water and see if it works. Right, thank you, see you next time. We'll be posting each project every week, so don't miss out on our next project.